Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am Shannon Glam and this is my first video of 2019. We had to just like do it up for Cupid. I decided to do this super duper duper pink look. We have pink on the lids, we have pink on the cheeks, we have pink on the lips. Without any further ado, please subscribe to my channel, follow me on my social medias, and we will begin. It's getting sharp, there's something greater than ourselves. We must reach far. You guys are probably here because, you know, you have like so many handles that you're gonna go on dates with. For Valentine's Day, you just need like a look for that day, so I got you, girl. The first thing that we're gonna do, I'm gonna use this baby, which I actually haven't used ever. I don't know why I purchased the wrong one. I thought it was gonna be like this size, but then it came out super freaking big, which is horrible when I'm traveling and doing makeup like weddings and just special events. But whatever, we're here and we're using it. The color I'm gonna be using is Bori, inspired after Borinquen, Puerto Rico, Boricua. No, I'm just kidding. But I thought it was funny that the actual name is Bori. Going with a little blending brush. The one I'm gonna use is the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. I believe this one came in one of my, ooh, she's pigmented, one of my palettes. It definitely did. Ooh, it's a lot of pigment, girl. We're gonna use that right there in the crease and a little bit up above the crease. This color is beautiful. So this year for Valentine's Day, I literally have no freaking idea what I'm gonna do. I should just go out to eat candy, you know, the huge. I'm gonna go in with Boricua. Jimmy Fallon and Bad Bunny came up with this color together. These colors are so pigmented, that's why I love them. We want it super high intensity color. Just to highlight that arch right underneath my eyebrow, I can go with the Angelique color. Let's find a little tiny brush. And we're gonna put it right underneath. All right, and since that definitely got into the pink color, I'm just gonna blend that out. I'm gonna try to concentrate, just like use the colors here, although I saw another color in another palette, but I'll go in with Zobo here, this purple color. We're gonna concentrate it on the outer corner just to create more of an intensity on that outer corner. Ooh, that's a cute color. So how's everyone's New Year's? Not New Year, but yeah, it is a new year. Something that I did differently this year is I created a vision board. When I think of vision boards, I couldn't think of anything more millennial than a vision board. But I keep on seeing videos after I did it. I was just inspired. I thought that I'm gonna do something different. I'm gonna do my vision board, and until I finish my vision board, then I won't be able to correctly start the new year. So I did it. All the thoughts that were in my head, I put them on paper, which is better mentally for you too, because you're just not stuck with all these freaking ideas in your head and your mind is gonna explode and you're like, oh my gosh, I just need to do all these things. It's just better to just put it on paper, take it out of your head, release it, but still continually work towards it daily, you know? So far, so good. I literally have it like right in front of me when I wake up in the morning. It's right on the wall, so I see it every single day, which is a good thing. What I'm most excited for is just to see like at the end of the year what I did achieve, or like if I overachieved it, or if I went even over and beyond that goal, you know? That's what I'm looking forward to. I actually did mine electronically because I didn't feel like getting all the materials and gluing and blah 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 blah. So I just did mine electronically, and I kind of like how it came out. All right, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of the body right here on my lid, and the reason I'm gonna do that is because I'm gonna cut the crease with concealer, but I just wanted to have a little bit of pink on the lid, so when I cut the crease it could be like a light pink. You guys can use any concealer that you want. The one, oof, I don't even know if I can use this one. We're gonna try to use this one because there's like literally nothing left. This is my trusty, dusty, literally, brush that I use to cut the crease. I'm gonna use this color here and a little bit of this color here. Now I'm gonna put just a little bit of glitter on my lid. This is the Peachy Sheen by Stila Cosmetics. These are literally perfect. Whenever a client asks for glitter, you just use this one and you just swipe it on and you good to go. Like towards the middle-ish, and just have like the one that's a little less closer to the inner corner, but more concentrated in this area here. And now I'm gonna take the white, the NYX Cosmetics white liquid liner. This is my baby. What I'm gonna do off camera is I'm gonna finish this eye. When I'm done with this eye, I will come back. All right, so this is what we got. I did the one eye with you guys on camera, and then I did the other eye. And I was saying that this product is so good and blah, 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 blah. And I completely forgot that when I use it, it like cracks. And that's what it did on this eye here. So what I decided to do was use another color on top of that one, which is still by NYX Cosmetics. It's the LOTD Lip of the Day in the color Hex. And I added Iman in the inner corner, which I'm gonna do with you guys right now. This color here. In order to add a color right in this inner corner, we're just gonna go with a little tiny brush, just like this one. This one is from e.l.f. Cosmetics, the eye crease brush. And go right in the corner to brighten that baby up. Then drag it a little bit in there. It instantly just like made it brighter. And now take the Lip of the Day color, just a little bit again. And I don't think this one's gonna crease because this one has been on for, I don't know, 10 minutes, maybe a little, probably a little less, but yeah, it's not creasing. Okay, good. I thought it did. I was like, oh my gosh, no. Right in the same exact line, and I feel like I won't be able to do this on camera because I'm not freaking left-handed. The same exact colors I added on the top, which was basically body, I'm gonna add it on the bottom part with just a thinner brush to just make it more precise, get to that area. Brushes like this, preferably this one that's like super, super, super tiny, and bring it as close as possible. I'm not gonna bring it all the way in because I do wanna bring some of that Iman a little bit more out just to create even more brightness. And now some of that Iman. Now I wanna add like just some more color on the bottom part because I just don't like adding one so kaba. I'm gonna add this one, the Staccato. Even though I didn't add this one on my lid, but I think it will look cute. We're just gonna taper that a little bit more. Tapering just means to just bring it even a little bit closer than what you did with the color body. That is it. I like it. I am going to take a black eyeliner. I'll do a little cat eye. We coming back for more. Okay. You guys could just leave it here if you're just thinking of going out. You're not really into like dramatic makeup, even though it kind of is. You could put a light nude lip. I want to make it more like Instagram-y. I want to have like a little bit more effects on it. I'm going to add a couple hearts. Before I do, I'm going to go in with this baby here, which actually the review that I did on this is my most watched video. It has like 4,000 views or 5,000, something like that. We're gonna go with the Iman. Try to put this Iman here in this big brush. I'm gonna take the NYX Cosmetics Disco Rage Lip Liner. And we're just gonna create cute little hearts. Just cute little hearts because we're so full of love. You don't have to have a boyfriend or a girlfriend to celebrate Valentine's Day, okay? Someone out there loves you, and if they don't, well, you love you, boo. So just saying. I wanna add a little bit of white. Please don't fail me. Oh, we are so freaking Valentine's Day, okay? The NYX Full Throttle Find Your Fire. And then mix in a little bit of Rustic Mirage. I don't like it to be matte. We are so freaking Saint Valentine's, okay? We might as well be Cupid. If you guys have a date this year, it's a Valentine's Day and it's like the first one in so long. Props to you, girl. If not, go out with yourself, but not on Valentine's Day because it's gonna be like super packed everywhere. Just on another day. Like, it's cliche, but you don't need a man to make you happy. You don't need anyone else to make you happy. If you're not happy with yourself, then do things that make you happy, that bring you relaxation, peace, love, all of that. There's always someone out there that does love you and has your best interests at heart and just wants the best for you. So you could always spend that day with them or other days. I mean, you don't have to put so much importance to just one sole day out of the whole freaking year. If you guys recreate this, please tag me, let me know here in the comment section or on my Instagram, Shannon_glam. I'm so happy that I did this video, and that is my second Valentine's Day one, and then I'm here back again with you guys. I look forward to hearing from you guys. Have a happy Valentine's Day. I don't know. Now, can you stop talking? My cat keeps freaking meow, meow. It's not my fault you don't have a date this Valentine's Day. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. You're my Valentine's mama.